staying along with this before. Oh, that place is 10-8, not GOA.
This is us responding to an emergency. We got stuck. Go ahead, man. I don't know whose idea was getting into Oak. We know. Oh, man. Oh, man. This is cop life, bro. Toe, say what's up? Man, I told you not to go through here, man.
And the shovel broke. You know the shovel broke, right?
Oh, you broke the shovel? Oh, man.
Hey, still great night, though. Still great night, though.
Yeah.
It's that man's fault. It's that man's fault right there. Oh, man. Oh, God. It's not good. It's not good. We don't have that. It's a 9-2.
You didn't get me?
I got you, yeah.
Yo. Yeah, hello. You got like 10 cameras looking out the window recording us, huh?
Because of this man.
That's my lovely partner. I told him not to go through this street, and I'm not gonna say any names, but like 22 feet they haven't cleaned, and
Stuck. This man right here. Oh, God. Not good. Oh, no.
hey, sorry, I gotta laugh, man. You know.
So are we done here?
Hey, man, bad boys. What are we gonna do? When the snow comes? Peace.